If you own a box truck, semi-truck, tow truck, or thinking about becoming a trucking business operator owner, you've probably asked yourself one question: what kind of truck insurance do I actually need? Commercial truck insurance isn't just one policy. It's a combination of different coverages designed to protect your operation from accidents, lawsuits, cargo losses, and other unexpected costs. So let's break it down. First, there's commercial auto insurance. This is the foundation of trucking insurance. It's required if your business owns a truck. It can help pay for property damage, medical expenses, vehicle repairs, theft, vandalism, and legal costs after an accident. If you're operating across state lines, you may also need to meet Federal Motor Carrier Safety Administration insurance requirements, or FMCSA, before your truck can legally hit the road. You should also consider carrying dedicated cargo coverage. If you are transporting goods for customers, motor truck cargo insurance, or MTC, can help protect your client's goods if they're damaged, stolen, or destroyed during transit. If your policy includes earned freight coverage, it will also help recuperate lost income from undelivered freight. Many shippers and contracts require this coverage before working with you. Another important policy is general liability insurance. While commercial auto covers accidents involving your truck, general liability covers other third-party business risks. That includes someone slipping and falling at your office, or an employee accidentally damaging a customer's property while providing them with a quote. If you have employees, you'll also likely need workers' compensation insurance. Most states require it, and it helps cover medical bills and lost wages after a work-related injury. For owners, operators, and growing trucking companies, there are additional coverages worth considering, including trailer interchange coverage, inland marine insurance, cyber insurance, and non-trucking liability coverage. Another big question that business owners ask is how much truck insurance costs. The truth is, pricing varies based on factors such as your vehicle type, cargo, driving history, claims history, location, and your coverage limits. That's why two trucking businesses with similar trucks can receive a very different insurance quote. The right trucking insurance isn't about buying every available policy, or even the cheapest option. It's about choosing the coverage that matches your operation, your contracts, and your risk levels. One of the best ways to save money on commercial truck insurance is by comparing quotes from multiple carriers instead of just accepting the first offer that you receive, as coverage options and pricing can vary between insurers. At Insureon, you can compare quotes from top-rated insurance carriers in just minutes and find the best coverage before you hit the road. Tap the link to get small business insurance that you can count on.